In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our new feature, language translation and program duplication. So the way that this works is once you have a program, if you go to Edit and you go to Program Settings, scroll down to Other, you'll see this option here to translate your program. When you click on that, you can pick what language you want to translate it into. Let's say Spanish. And then you duplicate and translate. And what this will do is it will take all of the content in your program and automatically translate it into Spanish. So you can go through now and you can edit it, make sure it all looks good. If it's something is off, you can just tweak it. And it's basically just done a complete copy of your program. This is now, one thing to note, it's not going to be linked to any group, so it's just treated as a whole new program. You'll see here, if you go back to the dashboard, it has the tag on it that it's Spanish. It is not connected at all any longer to your original program. So if I make edits in this program, they will not apply to the duplicated one. This is a standalone program now in Spanish, but that's how it works. So this will be hopefully very convenient. You can do this as many times as you want. We recommend for any languages to keep going back to the original program, not translating them from language to language, because that can mess up the translation. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Thanks.